Hi, Leon. I selected this story to read to you because rain is one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Rain makes me happy and makes me relaxed. Do you like rain? Let's go ahead and read this story. It's called Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots right there and a yellow hat right there on his head. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down, pitter, pitter, pitter. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. Leon, do you like to jump in puddles? I know I do. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. But it sure makes him smile, doesn't it? Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plunk, plunk, plunk. But it looks like Simon is still smiling. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Why do you think water is filling his boots, Leon? Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. Why do you think his mom's looking at him? His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. He was so proud of himself, wasn't he? Why do you think Simon was all wet? Was it because he took his umbrella, but he forgot to actually use it? I think so. Do you remember what color is Simon's umbrella? Or what color is Simon's hat? And what do you think is the answer to this one? What type of day is it outside in the story? Is it a sunny day? Or was it a snowy day? No, it's a rainy day, right? And what does Mom give Simon? Yeah, she gives him an umbrella. Did he use the umbrella? No, silly Simon. Well, Leon, I hope you enjoyed that story. Thanks for taking the time with me.